Good morning, students.
Good morning, sir.
Today we are going to the collecting information about the classification of the manufacturing sector. Manufacturing sector are divided in the three parts. First is the basis of the raw material, basis of the size, basis of the ownership. Now, that basis of the raw material are the uses. If the raw materials are gained and are received by the side of the agricultural product, that means it is related to the agro-based industry. If the raw materials provided by the agricultural sector, that means it are related to the agro-based industries of the manufacturing sector. And the next is the mineral based industries. Minerals, you know very well, that is the minerals are found in the earth crust and the on side of the crust. That is, if the raw materials are used by side of the minerals and the extraction of the minerals used in the manufacturing sector, that means it's relating to the mineral based industries. And the next is the relating to the marine based industries. Marine are related to the sea bodies, that means water sea bodies. And if the we are receiving any type of the raw material component by the side of the marine, that means and proceed it, that means it is relating to the marine based industries. Now next is the forest based industries. If we are going to the getting the raw material or by side of the forest, just like as the gathering, collecting, etc. By the side of the forest, at the use to the finished goods, at the use to the consumable goods are like to the relating to the forest based industries. Now next is the basis of the size. Now first is the small scale industries and the second is the large scale industries. Now, small scale industry depending on the size. If the we require the need of the arrangement of the capital, that means down to the 1 crore rupees. That means it is related to the small scale industry. If we require the capital of the excess of the 1 crore, that means it is related to the large scale industry. And the small scale industries are related to the two partition. First is the tradition and the second is the modern. Tradition based are relating to the, if we are going to the collecting the information, traditional components are using in the industries and the manufacturing it, that means traditional small scale industries. If we are generating new product, manufacturing the new product by the use of the modern technology and by the use of the modern concept. That means it is related to the modern small scale industry. Now next is the large scale industries. If the criteria and the required capital is the plus 1 crore to 1 crore plus, that means it is related to the large scale industries. And the working area also are more than larger comparison to the small scale industries. And the next is the basis of the ownership. Basis of the ownership, that means if any type of the industries, if any type of the industries are have the ownership only for the individual person, that means it is related to the private sector industries. If the if the yes, if the any industry have the ownership by side of the government, that means it is related to the public sector industry. If the any industries have the ownership by the collectively private and the public sector, that means it is related to the joint sector industries. And if the ownership of the any type of the industries, a group of the 10 and 20 members, that means it is relating to the cooperative society